Okay, now we're on the last part of our ClearLines function. Okay, so we've already done completing the lines and moving the line, the blocks down the screen and resetting the block count. Okay, so the last bit is just the scoring. Okay, so we're going to have this for scoring, so 1 line equals 1 point, 2 lines 3, 3 lines 5, 4 lines 8 points. Okay, so this comes from the number of lines completed at any one time. So if num lines is larger than 0, i.e. we've completed some lines, then lines, remember our lines variable, okay, which is the actual lines that appear and are scored on the screen, so that this is what appears actually on the screen when it tells you how many lines are yet to be completed. Okay, so it starts out with lines equal to 5, which means you've got to complete 5 to move to the next level. Okay, so this is the expression. That's num lines minus 1 minus 1 times num lines minus 4. Okay, so that should give us this result. Okay, this is the num lines, and these are the lines that it gives us. Okay, so actually if we complete 4 lines at once, we actually get 8 points. Okay, so lines will decrease by 8 according to this expression. Okay, so that's all that is. Okay, okay, the next one, if lines less than 1, okay, if the remaining lines are cleared, okay, i.e. that we've cleared all the lines that we need to pass on to the next level. So say we're on level 1 and we've cleared 5 lines, i.e. lines is less than 1, then we decrease the drop speed equals drop speed minus 50. Okay, so when we decrease the drop speed, we increase the speed of the piece dropping because it takes less time to drop. However, we want it to drop in increments of 50 until it can't drop any more. Okay, so we use a similar trick for the increments. Okay, now you remember our drop speed was 735. Okay, so what this equation is going to do, well, I'll just demonstrate it quickly in Paint. Okay, and I'll just sort of draw it out for you. Basically, what this is going to do is our drop speed is 735, and it's going to keep on taking 50 away from it until it can't take 50 away anymore. Okay, until it goes into the negative. So 735 minus 50, it can do it like 14 times, I think, etc, 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 50 ... okay, until it's say the last one, and then suddenly you get down to something like, say, 35. Okay, then it can't take away 50 from it because it will end up negative. Okay, because the answer can't be less than 50. Okay, so it tries to take away 50, but it can't take away 50 because 35 minus 50 is less than 0. Okay, so that's what that bit is down here. So actually it can't decrease to less than 35. So it decreases the drop time, but it can't drop below 35. Okay, and then we just go to increase the level when this happens. So the number of lines go down by 1, and then we just increase the level by 1, and the lines equal the level times 5. Okay, so you have more lines to complete for every single level, and close this if statement. Okay, so if you completed all the 5 lines, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it gets to 0, then the drop speed increases, the level increases by 1, and the amount of lines increases by 5 for each level. So on level 1 you'll have 5 lines, level 2 10 lines to complete all the way down to 0, level 3 you have 15 lines to complete all the way down to 0. Essentially the scoring is up to you, however you want to do it. This is how it's done here, where you have 5 lines to complete for level 1, it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Level 2 you have 10 lines to complete, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then it goes on to level 3, etc, etc, and it scores it like this. Okay, so if you complete 1 line you get 1 point, it subtracts 1 off the number of lines to complete. If you get 2 lines it subtracts 3 off the number of lines to complete. If you complete 3 lines at one time, it subtracts 5 points off the number of lines to complete. And if you complete 4 lines, it subtracts 8 lines off the number of lines to complete for that level. Okay, so you can use any scoring system you like. Okay, this is just how it's done here. And finally, let's play it. Okay, see how good I am. Probably not very good, since it's too early in the morning. Okay, lines equals 7. Okay, I see. Lines equal 9. I've made a slight error. Lines equal 11. Okay. Uh-oh. Lines equal 10. Lines equal 9. Lines equal 11. Lines equal 13. I've made a mistake somewhere. Looks like it. since I'm still on level 1. Okay, let's have a look. Okay. I think I made an error here. Okay, let's try this. Let's test it out. Okay. Okay, I see the error that I've made. Always helps to kind of go through this. This does actually work now. Just boom, 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 boom. Let's see if I go to level 2, and I go to level 2 and I've got 10 lines. Okay, I used this. I copied it down, run. Number of lines equal 4. So if the number of lines equals 4, then take it away. Okay, so this is just this scoring system is just this. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now you have completed all the basics of Tetris. Congratulations and thanks for watching. Okay, congratulations on getting this far. If you manage to do Tetris, then there really shouldn't be anything in your way towards programming pretty much any 2D game, puzzle or otherwise, because this is one of the most abstract ones that you can do. Okay, thanks, bye.